What's up guys, it's NoyTebs here. So again today we're going to unbox this Rocket Ultra Spin Mop Plus. And again, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to click the notification bell so that you'll be notified every time I have a new video uploaded on my channel. Let's get started. So there you go guys, so again I have here a mop, a Rocket Ultra Spin Mop, and we're going to unbox this. And I just got this one here in the Stampede in Calgary during, I think that was during the Stampede week. I just got this one and I think this is $50. It's really good already. So, but again, this is a new design, a rotary plan system, a new design cleaning mop without the basket. So this is really good, guys. And again, what's in the box, we'll see what's here. And then we'll see. Okay, so again, there you go. Ta-da! What's in the box? Okay, so let's remove the whole thing. So here's the basket. Here's the map. Actually, there's two of them. And then here's the handle. We'll see this one. Oh, so basically there's three of them. It's three. Right. So again, that's good already. We'll just take the plastic out. So this one here, guys, it's I just got this one, and this is their office here in Calgary. And yeah, it's very light plastic. I hope the durability of the plastic is really good. This is made in China. And here's the instruction. So top, middle. Okay, so this is the top one. Where's the middle? Okay, so over here. Okay, so all you have to do is to do it that way. There you go. And then the top one, basically you just put it and then that's it. So this is the one that you're going to, you know, rotates one thing. So hopefully so far so good. I tried this one. That's why one thing I like this, because you know this is the basket that they have. And one thing that I was impressed, because here in the middle where your solution is, and then on the side here, if you can see the side, you can every time you put this in here, basically the water, it just come out the water here to brush this mop, this cloth. Okay, so but again, that's one thing that I really like it. And if you're going to do some drying, if you see a gray color, it will turn out into red if it's drying. So again, one thing that I really like it. So hopefully, I think, I don't know what is the warranty here, but a low speed washing, a high speed washing. And again, you can remove this with the Velcro. You have the Velcro over here. And then just put your mop either that way, and then bang. That's it. And then you can put this one on the wash and dryer, and then done. So the next one would be this. I hope I can demonstrate this. One thing that, you know, the typical mop that you're using with the basket is that, you know, when you clean it, or when you clean it, you know, you just mop the floor, and then what happened is if you mop the floor and then put here and then tack 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 and then mop again the floor, so the dirt is still on the mop. That's one thing that I really like this one here, because you know when you put this one in and then you can turn, you can open this one and then bang bang, it will turn around, turn around, turn around. So that's the other thing that I really like this one, you know, because of the dirt on your, the dirt on the floor, it won't mix the solution. So because they have a where your solution is, and then on the side here is your dirty water. Then if you have dirty water, all you have to do is to open this and then it will come out the water here, and that's it. It's very neat. It's very nice one, you know. It's very nice one. So that's why the price that I pay for this, for $50, it's worth it. Yes, it's worth it, because you know you're not gonna have a problem with mixing the used one or the old one, and then put this one again here, wash it, and then mop again, mop again, mop again. So that's the good thing. Okay, so again, I got this one in Stampede in Calgary. I hope that I'm gonna so excited to use this one, and then I hope that I can have some demonstration for this for you guys. my perspective for this the Rocket Mop, or the Rocket Ultra, what is this? The Rocket Ultra Spin Mop Plus. It's really good, you know. And because I saw this one in their demonstration, and I was telling the guy like how often you're doing this with their handles, and you know how many times he was demonstrating people there, and I said like, oh, probably that's a really good one. So we'll see, you know. So, and again, that's why I bought it. But yeah, I'm happy with this purchase of $50, and we'll see. I hope that the mechanism here, because mostly this one is the problem. This part here is a problem. You know, it doesn't rotate anymore. You know, that's the thing. But as soon as this will rotate, then it's gonna be fine, probably. You know. So, but again, I still have lots of videos on this channel, and I hope, guys, you can watch my other unboxing on this channel. And if you're not yet subscribing, please do subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell so that you'll be notified every time I have a new video uploaded on this channel. So, but again, thank you so much again for watching. This is NoyTebs. God bless and have a wonderful day.